Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn the names of fruits in English? Let's go on a fun and colorful journey together to discover the most delicious and beautiful fruits and their English names. Apple, 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 apple. Banana, 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 banana. Orange, 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 orange. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Grape, 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 grape. Mango, 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 mango. Pineapple, 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 pineapple. Peach, 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 peach. Pear, 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 pear. Pomegranate, 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 pomegranate. Cherry, 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 cherry. Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Lemon, 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 lemon. Fig, 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 fig. Apricot, 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 apricot. Coconut, 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 coconut. Plum, 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 plum. Date, 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 date. Blueberry, 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 blueberry. Raspberry, 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 raspberry. Cantaloupe, 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 cantaloupe. Avocado, 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 avocado. Papaya, 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 papaya. Clementine, 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 clementine. Awesome! Today we learned the names of many fruits in English. Can you remember some of them? Don't forget to watch the video again to practice and share what you've learned with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you soon for a new learning adventure.